everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal, life's short, eat dessert first. It is a Toll House pie. My mom made it, of course, allergy friendly, so I couldn't have any of this. Well, she did drop some pie crust, but I can't have any of the main part of the pie because it's got dark chocolate, and dogs definitely can't have that, unfortunately, but it smells really good cooking, so you guys should definitely give this a try. It's yummy, according to everyone who ate it all up. But anyway, this is a Toll House pie. And the recipe my mom took a picture of because it was one that her mom gave her. So it's on a recipe card. So she took a picture of it and put it in the video for you. And then, yeah, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Okay, this is a Toll House pie. So what we've done so far is this a gluten-free 9-inch pie shell. Then we've beaten 2 eggs, so we're using my Just Egg, plant-based, until foamy. And then we've added in the flour, sugar, and brown sugar. So we've got 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of flour. And then we are using 1/3 cup or 3/4 cup butter instead of 1 cup. This is my mom's recipe. So we melted that and it's cooling. And then you use 6-ounce package of Nestle chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 325. So now we've beaten the flour, sugar, and brown sugar. Now we're going to blend in the melted butter. All right, so now we have stirred in the melted butter that we let cool, and then the chocolate chips, 6 ounces. We used these Nestle dark chocolate chips, and we used Kerrygold Irish butter. And then you pour it into the pie shell and cook for an hour at 325. Now I'm using a conventional oven, so or convection oven, sorry. So we're gonna use 300 degrees for an hour. All right, so here is the finished Toll House pie. It's gonna sit here and cool until we're ready for dessert, but it was an hour on 300 in a convection oven. So make sure you pay attention. But the recipe card I'm gonna put in the video. Have fun, give it a try.